Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. In our last video, we got this pivot axle ground down even more, and we will give it a try and see if it fits this time. It still doesn't want to fit. Still getting bound up out here. Take some more off that as well. Finally got the grinding done and touched this up with paint. I did reverse it and put the grease fittings on the outside, and it seems to fit better that way for some reason. So I'm gonna try this again. Pop these bearings in, drop them a few times. Oops. We have a clean work area, that's good. Alright, that's as high as that can go. See if this works. Careful of that grease fitting. How much more that's got to go up? Quite a bit. But it cannot move freely. Okay. Let's try this idea again. I'm trying to put that force just in the center. It's not liking that. But try this time. it's stopping on something. All right, try the jack again. We got it much further than we did before. We only got to go another 1/4 inch. See if this will give it enough. Oh, almost there. Tweak it. Tiny bit. We're up above it now, that's good. Okay. Take this pivot axle bolt. Get it started. My glove got stuck. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reinstalled the pivot axle. Oh, this has been such a challenge. And that's a lock nut with about 40 threads on the back side, so that'll take a minute. If I'm not mistaken, these are 18 millimeters. So we are using a 3/4. I snapped my 18 mil, haven't gotten another one. Let's move this. We finally got that pivot axle up and in and the bolt through. That's our 5 minutes for today. Thank you for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Remember, 5 minutes a day, you'll get your projects done.